Alright guys, so let's see what we have today. To be honest, NASDAQ has been really doing way better to the last 2 days. Monday NASDAQ was good. Yesterday NASDAQ was good, but I ended up trading US 30 and I lost in US 30. And funny enough, that was my first live trade I took this year. That's my first live trade I've taken this year. And I ended up having 2 losses on US 30. Yeah, so I also price does well today. We've already seen US 30 take out this high already. But on NASDAQ, we haven't taken out the high. It's kind of giving a bearish S&T. But if NASDAQ wants to follow, then it is what it is. So we have more than 5 minutes left. So let's just see what price wants to do. But to be honest, I'll be focusing on NASDAQ more today, especially because price NASDAQ has been doing way better. So I know it's US Tech here, obviously, but it's called NASDAQ on this broker. So yeah. So let's just see what NASDAQ has for us today. These are my two levels I'm going to select out today. US 30 has already gone high, so I don't think, except I put price here, except I put my level right there. Yeah, except I put my level right there. But nothing much to be honest. Yeah, and I'm going to use a 25 point stop loss today. Using a 25 point stop loss today. That's if I'm trading NASDAQ. Yeah, so I've already calculated my lot size and I'm using a 0.35 lot size. So we'll take a long position here. Go for 25 points. What are we doing? Why? What are we doing? I really thought I saved this shit, bro. Let me just add extra zeros behind it. I really thought I saved it well. Okay. So 35. Just add extra zeros behind it. Save is 35. 35 point stops. Save us 30 points. The reason why I like this broker is because it uses TradingView's integrations. Even if I'm not trading directly from TradingView, but it gives you that feel of you're trading on TradingView. So that's why I kind of like it. Save us 25 points. And then the last one, which is 20. Let's add extra zeros behind it. Save us 20 points. Okay, so since I'm done with the long positions, because I most likely did the same mistake here. 20 points. Just to add extra zeros. Okay, we have about 3.5 minutes left. And lastly 40 points. Okay, so like I said, we're going to use 25 points today. Okay, we're already breaking though, so we just have to use this level then. If we keep breaking, we just have to use that level then. US 30, like I said, we might have a bearish S&T. Notice how NASDAQ didn't take out this size, but US 30 took out this size, so that's a bearish S&T. So yeah, anything can happen. Well, we have about 2 minutes left, so I'll reduce this. I don't know why, but it seems 25 points on US 30 is small. 25 points on US 30 seems so small. So let's see if I can use what lot size I can use for US 30. I think get 40 points would be okay for US 30. So my account is 180, risking 5% with a contract size of 1. So that's 0.2. So if I'm trading US 30, I'm using a 0.22. Yeah, that's if I'm trading US 30, which I doubt I will. But if I see good movement, then maybe I trade on US 30. Okay, we have like 50 seconds left. Yeah, so we just change the levels to this. We change the levels to that. So already have this huge retracement here, so I don't think price is going to keep pushing to the upside for real on US 30. I have about 10 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so let's see what price wants to do. Okay. I'm buying there. I don't even know which one is my rule. Alright. Modify. Okay, stop's supposed to be at target 1 by now. My god. I was putting my stops at target 1, but TP got here already. That was a really good trade, to be honest. That was a really good 1 to 2.5. Next time, I wish I can be faster with my, fib trades, fibs, me putting my fib. Because, bro, imagine price was right there and then we ended up retracing. Because I really wanted to find out where my target 1 was so that I could put my stops there in case we have any retracement. But lucky for us and good for us, we were able to have bro, what the hell? It's just snapping into reality right now, bro. That was less than 10 seconds. But that was less than 10 seconds. Bro, $23 in less than 10 seconds. Opening time. Wait, right? We took the buy trade. That was NASDAQ. Opening time was 9:30:11, and then we closed at 9:30:36. Yo, you guys do the math. I don't know. That's, let's say, a little bit over, less than 15 seconds, basically. I guess. I don't know. I really don't know how much seconds that took. But that's crazy, bro. You guys saw that. What the hell? I'm sure that was a 1 to 3, most likely. That's most likely 1 to 3, I guess. Okay, no, not yet, 1 to 3. But that's why I said they're using a 1 to 2.5, because risk reward. I don't know, I just feel like it's just way faster. Like, we don't usually, because 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, usually sometimes I get faked out. Not like faked out, but wicked out. Like, price will be so close to 1 to 3, but then price just retraces all the way back. Yo, US 30 might be tripping, bro. US 30 might be tripping. Now we're going for a sell trade for sure. Because already had this fake out to the upside. But NASDAQ is still pushing, so anything can happen, to be honest. I don't even, bro, US 30, bro, I don't even know, bro. NASDAQ US 30 took some money from me yesterday. But NASDAQ really did well in less than freaking 30 seconds. Yeah, US 30 is going to keep pushing to the downside. We already had this fake out to the upside. That's how US 30 moves. We have a fake out to the upside and then price just goes all the way to the downside. Like, look at what happened here. This was yesterday's trade. We had this fake out to the upside and then after that we just had this huge move to the downside. So yeah, but it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Today was a good day on NASDAQ. NASDAQ is still pushing. NASDAQ is still pushing. And yeah, so if you guys want to trade live with me every single day, you can join the Discord in the description below under this video. But yeah, I'm trying to grow this $200 account. As you guys can see here, it's a 200 real life account. Right now, we're already up $4. That's why I love, risk to reward and risk management and learning to follow your plans. Because yesterday, I was already down $20, right? And I was like, bro, I already just started this account and I'm already down 10%. Well, I remember me explaining to my Discord members that you guys need to understand that you guys need to just follow your plans. Because if you have a good risk reward management, even if you lose today, as far as you're following your plans, you will still make back your money. Because right now, I already lost 10% yesterday out of 200, which is me losing 20%. That's $20, right? Today, we're already up $4. Why? Because we were able to make 23.9. That's close to $25. It was actually $25 I was supposed to make today. Yeah, but even though whatever, we were still able to cover off for these two losses that we had yesterday. So that is a good thing about risk management and following my plans. For example, if I had lost yesterday, or if I had lost these two trades yesterday, and I decided to overtrade, maybe I might not be able to cover up for the whole loss. Why? Because let's say I had another trade and I lost like $8 or $10 or $9. That means I'm already down $30 for the day. Then the next day comes and I have a 1 to 2.5 risk reward. I only make $25 or $23. I am still not able to cover up for yesterday's losses. Why? Because I overtraded. I didn't stick to my rules. And you guys know my rules. Only 2 trades max per day. Anything after that, I don't trade at all. But yeah, that's US30 for you. TP got hit again in case you traded US30 after the fake out. But yeah, US30 has been really nice. Alright, yeah, did you guys take the trade? You guys can speak now. You guys can speak. Yeah. Yeah, that was nice. That was nice. Which one did you take? The US30 or the NASDAQ? Oh, you took the NASDAQ. Yeah. NASDAQ has been good, low key. US30 has just been iffy, to be honest. Like, just fake out to the upside and then goes all the way to the downside. It happened on Monday too. On Monday, you guys saw it. Yeah, it happened yesterday too. Yeah, yeah. Oh, you didn't trade yesterday. Well, at least we still have a good W today, so that's fine. Alright, so that'll be basically it, man. We're already up $4 for this account, and let's just see what happens as we continue this account. So yeah, that'll be basically it, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.